Welcome back to the channel, where I hide prizes in the great outdoors. Watch the video to find the secret hiding place, and maybe be the first to get outside and claim it. Mount Talbert Nature Park in beautiful Clackamas, Oregon, hiding cash.
Here we go. Oh, what a beautiful trail.
Apparently I went with a pumpkin-themed outfit today. Oh, I never had to think about my running outfits matching. I buy everything on clearance. Entry points to the 4 miles of trails, so you can choose your own adventure as a starting point. Well, I wondered when it was going to happen. I was literally thinking, hey, I should say something about this. I wonder when I'm going to fall carrying this 360 camera. Well, this happened. Today is definitely a typical Oregon day with one side of the park in partial sun and the other side in a constant mist. Ooh. We're at the summit. I think this is a pretty perfect spot to hide our goodies. For watching my videos. We'll see you next time on the trail.